Hi there, this is Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio. I'm really glad that you're here and I'm excited to share a lot with you today. So I'm going to be showing you the making of this painting here behind me, which is yet to be titled, and also some big news. Fluid Art Experience is coming back, and it's going to be April 16th through the 19th in Dallas, Texas at the Renaissance Hotel in Richardson, which is a fantastic venue. It's a big, beautiful hotel. There's early booking. There's like a block rate. So if you book soon enough, you can take advantage of those rates. And there's some incredible artists that I'm just always honored to be working with. We bring ourselves, we bring our art, we bring our passion. And this is going to be my 4th time doing this event, and it is just so much fun. The artist lineup is me, Sarah Taylor Modern Art. We have Pieces of Terra Artistry. We have Cause Creations, Kathleen. We all know Kathleen. Jessica Winterstrom, Nate Bright Art, Britt Clayton, Brian with Studio 15. Canella Sirocco is always with us, and she's amazing. And then an exciting new addition this year is Nick Boltman. Primarily, you can find his work on Instagram. Really cool. I'm excited to meet him. And also this year, there's going to be a free artisan show, which is like 32 different creatives bringing their products and their ideas and their inspiration to the event. So that's free for students. It's also open to the public. So really exciting. Booking is opening today to the public. We had kind of a soft release to certain audiences, but this is our actual announcement, and I really hope to see you there. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I will link the website here and below in the description, and we'll see you in Dallas. Can't wait. I also want to thank our beautiful hosts, Lee and Jeremy Massey, who bring the fluid art experience to all of us, and they are amazing to work with. Here I have a 24 by 48 inch canvas, and I'm just doing an underpainting, and I'm going to be using the translucent pearl base coat. I will be teaching this at the event as well, along with several other techniques. Colorful pearls, I'm doing an abstract fluid class, and I'm going to do some textured bloom. And it's really great that we have 4 days to work with as opposed to the 3 days. So there's going to be 3 classes or 2 classes each day for 4 days. All right, enough about that. Let's get on to this painting. The colors for my puddles, I have a Pineapple Crush by TriArt, a little bit of Iridescent Bronze by TriArt. Love that paint. And that's India Yellow by TriArt. Some quinacridone magenta mixed with a little bit of Mars Violet to make it a little more purple. That's Royal Blue Light by Amsterdam. Might have some Charvin Sky Blue Light in it as well. That's this kind of peachy pink, light pink color that I mixed. White, pink, and India Yellow. My untinted base coat, I've got a big jug of it there. And yeah, oh, and I showed you the first part of that underpainting. I did come back in with some bronze and kind of did it again. Anyways, yeah, so this is the translucent base coat going down. It is super watery, very thin. If you want more information about the recipes, my Patreon account is a great place to join and get more information. I do have some links below to some videos that go into more depth about the recipes as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch. I'll show you the dried results at the end of this video, so stick around till the end, and I hope you enjoy this. It's becoming one of my favorite techniques, this translucent pearl. I just adore it, and I hope you like it too. This was a commission for a local family, which I always love doing art locally. I love that it stays in the community, and yeah, All right, much love, and I hope to see you in Dallas. And I do other events as well. So if you have any questions about my teaching offerings, I'm here. And yeah, enjoy the rest of this painting, and much love. Talk to you soon.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I urge to love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Having 8 and 7